If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey, welcome folks. Larry here and mail call day today. So let's get right on with it. Right here, a friend of mine sent me this box, and I kind of know what's in it, but I'll share it with y'all because it's pretty cool stuff in it. At least I think it's pretty cool. This is a buddy of mine that sends me these pens periodically, and he likes to stay anonymous. I respect that. So, a lot of these pens, I give them away. I take them with me when I go somewhere, where Starbucks mostly, and I go around talking to people about fountain pens, and believe it or not, they don't even know what a fountain pen is. So I make sure that the fountain pens are inked up and has an extra cartridge. So here is a little note that he sent me. You know, what happens is he goes on a buying spree and he buys a lot of pens, and then he rotates his pens. After a while, he likes to take out a lot of the pens from his collection because he has so many, and he'll add more into it, and he just kind of rotate it on and on. So we got some. I'll let Mr. Announcer pronounce this one while I'm getting these ready.
Platinum Prefonte.
Yeah, and then here's the Ginhound 992s. Now the Prefontes, I think, are a really cool fountain pen. I mean, I really do. Beautiful fountain pen. And this one already comes with a cartridge in it. I really like them. And I believe he uses an extra fine point in most of them. Let me make sure. I'm pretty sure it's 03. Yeah. So, really a great fountain pen. If you have never used one, drop me a comment. If you have used one, drop me a comment anyway. Tell me how you like them. And, of course, these are they've been around a while, the Ginhound 992s. A good pen. Good beginner pens. Good pens for people on a budget. And here is a Lamy. This could be a rollerball. Pretty cool. And here is a Lamy, another rollerball, I believe. He likes rollerballs as well as fountain pens. I gotta admit, so do I. And what is this little jewel here? Yeah, this could be the Darjeeling, I think. Really a nice pen. And here's another, looks like another Lamy rollerball. Love the colors. And let's see what we got down this way. Here's another 992. Here's a Fountain Pen Revolution. That's a real nice one. And I'll give you the names later. What is in this little jewel? Here is a really cool Pilot Metropolitan. Really cool. Love the color. Great fountain pen. Really great fountain pen. Let's see. I did all these. So we're done with that. Well, folks, that's number one. Now we're going to open up number two. It's Christmas, before Christmas, so I can't wait till Christmas. So here we go. And this comes from Santa, from Troy LaFlante, a friend of mine. Just kidding, you're Troy. I can see Troy's face. Anyway. I have no idea what's in it. I wasn't expecting anything. That's cool. I like that. Bubble wrap. And here we go. Well, this goes to Mr. Announcer.
Oh.
Let us adore him. Would you want me to open it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Wow. Huh. To Mr. Announcer. I'll be darned. Mr. Announcer said I can open it. There we go. To Mr. Announcer. Wow. Ooh. Wow. Okay. Wow. Thanks, Troy.
Okay, Waterman. Ooh.
Yeah.
Look at the blue on that pen.
No, just put that away. Oh.
Thank you, Troy.
Ah! Ah! Okay, calm down. And then I got one more. This probably be from Mr. Announcer too. It's a big book of... Yay! Look at here what I got.
Oh, Beatles, okay.
I think it's that letter B in it.
I think that is the book that goes with that documentary that we've been watching.
Yep. And that is it. And thank you, Troy. Let it be. Ah, wow. Can't wait to dig into this thing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. When I went to the doctor this morning, Dr. Phillips was asking me, hey, Larry, have you been keeping up with the Let It Be thing on TV? I said, sure have. So we talked about that a little bit, and bam, here we are. Let It Be.
Get back, actually.
I mean, get back. Yeah, that's what he was talking about, get back. So get back to where you once belonged. All right. Well, thank you, Santa Troy. Folks, that's going to wipe it up for today until my next trip to the LA food store to pick up some more goodies for Christmas. Peace, love, be kind to the stranger. And as always, don't text and drive. God bless. Bye-bye. Peace out.